Hey, what's going on? It's Rex from R1 Concepts. We're out here in Arizona. We're headed to Overland Expo West with the crew.
$100, $150 maybe? Raffles closed. Kick this off.
5056. Let's go! We're out here in Flagstaff, Arizona. We're out here for Overland Expo West 2025. This year we teamed up with Carvin Exhaust. We've been doing a ton of giveaways for the next few days, so stay tuned and enjoy the show.
Smack it. Get the water to drip down his crap. That's a beauty. That's a beauty.
You're my daddy. Here's daddy, guys.
Lost child. Lost child. Lost child.
Hey, what's going on? I'm Rex from R1 Concepts. I'm here with Tyler from Power Tank. All right, Tyler, tell us about how the show's been for you and kind of, and everything really, just with the weather and all that stuff going on.
You know, the weather is the weather. We prepared for it. At least it's not raining. The show's been a lot of fun.
Tyler, take us through some of your products here. Anything new?
Almost everything is new. Power tank system is the same. It's coming now with our new Ventoso red tire inflator, which is the upgrade. All our tire inflators now come standard with the 2-foot whip and the red coupler, which means you could go from a standard push-on chuck on your straighter, or you could turn your tire inflator into a blowgun. You can air up your monster valves directly through your tire inflator.
Oh, nice. Yeah, dude. You have any other events going on this year, or?
Our show schedule's pretty light. We're going to the Rubathon in a month or two, and otherwise we'll be announcing a lot of new products this year. A lot of really cool stuff on Power Tank official Instagram, Facebook, and powertank.com.
All right, well, cool. Thanks for showing us around the booth, dude. Hey, how you doing? Okay. Here. Okay.
Cameron's not allowed to eat dinner tonight until he empties all these. Help him eat.
What's going on? We're here at the OVS booth. I'm here with Nupesh. He's going to take us around, show us the new stuff that they got going on.
So right here we have our Expedition cap, and we're debuting our window panels. Typically our Expedition caps have a full solid panel, but we've been requested and had such a demand for putting a portal window, just for those people that have their dogs or something like that in the back, or even if they're camping in the back. We've got a nice size panel with a actual sliding window in itself. And in the future, what we're going to have is basically a molly panel that actually sits against the panel. So something like that you see on the bulkhead is basically going to be inlaid into this window panel itself. So over here, we've got our 270/180 HD annex room. And basically, if you step inside here, you've got actually a nice area to whether you want to sleep in here, just rest, cook, whatever you guys want to do. Well, I appreciate you guys taking the time to let me showcase some of these items over here. If you want to learn more about our products, go to overlandvehiclesystems.com. You can find us on IG and Facebook as well.
All right, well, cool. Thank you for showing us around. We'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks, Rex.
We're getting ready to start our giveaway soon. Huge shout out to the partners and brands that have participated in our giveaway. Working with Carbon Exhaust, Inspired Overland, Isico, NATO Tire, NATO Pit Crew. Huge thanks to you guys.
Dude, it's Rex from YouTube, right here. Who wants a free hat?
Dude, at least 100, 150 maybe.
So this is an R-Series muffler. It's a universal product. You can throw this on anything. Beware, I warned you, it's loud. 325-103. The next product we're going to be giving away right now is going to be a full bolt-on replacement for vehicles that apply, obviously. If not, we'll credit you towards whatever we need to. I was getting bullied yesterday and said it was in order. 325-189. Sick. All right, guys, we got a free pad rotor set for any vehicle. 325045. Gone. Next. 325124. There we go. Last but not least, the RC car. So this was courteous of NATO Pit Crew. 325056. Let me see that ticket. 325056. That's it. Yeah, woo.